Something that
I'm just sad. I think I'm not gonna remember this moment anymore.
Okay.
Because I'm just sad because I'm enjoying this moment. I feel like you'll all forget me. I know. I'm not like any trouble to anybody. I'm very loving and caring.
You believe that I'm up for you? I'm coming for you.
What do you mean coming from me?
I don't know. What did you say?
I said I don't want to forget this moment.
You don't want to forget? You want to forget it?
No. Never if I don't think I feel stupid.
Don't worry. Just take a piss, my love.
Okay.
Bro, we do that and it's well, and she's coming to the wood.
It's gonna fall.
Exactly.